to tell your viewers, please, guys, subscribe. Please support her. She is doing great and help her. Do subscribe, share everywhere, and she's amazing. She's speaking fantastic. Definitely,
Thank
future
you.
time
Thank
she
you.
will become a YouTuber.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you for asking. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thank you.
Okay. Where are you from?
Yes, actually, I'm calling from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay. You are living there. It is your native place.
Yeah, my native place is like UP, but last 20 years I'm staying in Mumbai with my family.
Oh,
Yeah. So
it's
what
great.
about you?
Yes, I am from a south part of India, like Andhra Pradesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh state. You hear
Mhm.
about that Andhra Pradesh?
Yes, I heard about.
Yes, I am from Andhra Pradesh state. I am living in village with my family, with my husband and also I have a one baby girl.
Okay, that's great. So what about yourself? Like, what do you do? What's your profession like?
Yeah, I am a housewife. It is very great thing. It is my profession, housewife, and
Right.
also teaching some classes, English classes, and also I'm learning English too, like Cambly, for improving my English
Oh, I
because
see.
pronunciation is very difficult to
Mhm.
pronounce some words. That's why I'm learning calmly and also I am teaching.
Oh, I see. So how long have been teaching your students?
I know from 3 years.
Oh my God, 3 years. That's great.
Yes, 2017 I got married. When I got married, so I teach here in my husband place,
Oh, I
like
see.
children's, not adults only, children's.
Okay. Like, what kind of you are teaching about a student? Like, any subject? I mean, English
Yes,
subject and Hindi. Okay.
yeah. I like maths and also
Okay.
English.
Oh, I
I
see.
have, yes, English and also maths. So children have common subjects like science, social, maths, and also my mother tongue Telugu and Hindi.
Okay. So you passion about teaching in front of your students. That's great.
Yes,
You want to become a
yes,
teacher time.
yeah.
Like, okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I studied my engineering here.
Okay.
After my studies, I want to go abroad. I mean, doing my master's degrees in America, USA. But
Okay.
unfortunately, I got married. Then my dream is stopped,
So,
not fulfilled.
it's okay. But if you try, definitely your dream will be, come. Okay. If you try, like, right now, nowadays, you're preparing. I mean, you're learning English language. We are learning English language, so it's very important. Definitely, you will get a success, whatever you
Yes,
want. Okay.
yes,
By the
yes.
way, you are doing great. Seriously.
Thank you so much. And also, I upload videos in my channel. So
Okay.
many women are stay at home and they definitely teach to their children. So my
Okay.
videos will help to their like women who are beginners in English.
Uh-huh.
So many people are understanding English, but they cannot speak out very well.
Yeah,
Um,
absolutely.
me also. But now I I teach English, then I
Yeah,
speak
that.
fluently now.
So, what about your YouTube journey? Like, how long have been working on YouTube platform?
I work from July in 2020. In
Okay.
lockdown situation, everyone stay at home. So I have a lot of time to go. So they are all are stay at home, and me also my family. So I
Oh, I
take
see.
decision. So how I cannot start a YouTube channel. So I
Okay.
take a decision and I upload those videos like Cambly conversations, like those videos in my channel, because
Okay.
in Cambly everyone are from native speakers.
Hmm. Yeah,
So
I
that,
heard about like Camly. It's very important. Like for example, if you want to become public speaking, then you can go over there and buy a subscription. But it's very important, so expensive in India especially.
yes,
And
yes, you are
we
right.
can say middle class family, we can't afford like monthly salary, 6,000, 10,000, 4,000. I think subscription. I was also using a Camly. It was amazing experience. Yeah.
Yes, it is very
Yeah.
experience, amazing experience, but it's very expensive. You know, I spent 10,000 for 3 months for subscription plan, 3 months
Oh my.
plan. After
Okay.
that, it's I cannot afford to pay.
Oh, I see. But I was watching your video. It was amazing. Like with you, seriously, every time I was watching your video, like you are literally improving with foreigner, like how to talk, how to build a confidence, and it's very important. Like start a conversation. I'm not talking about specially like Camly and another video. It's very
Okay.
important. Start a conversation, in front of people. Then we can learn.
Yes,
And you
yes.
made
Thank you.
fantastic video. Yeah, seriously. Yeah.
Thank you. And also, I want to improve better. Like I have some breaks for conversations.
Okay.
You are speaking very well continuously.
That's good.
Your English is so good. I saw your channel too.
Okay. Thank you very much. Even I'm also beginner. I'm also learning English language, like how to learn, how to talk. Because recently I start my YouTube channel. I'm a beginner. Like in
When you
previous year,
started?
yeah, I have been working on YouTube platform since I think October month. In previous year, I started
Okay,
my YouTube channel. Yeah.
it's
and
great.
uh, and every day I try to upload one video on my YouTube channel. I'm learning day by day, like new story, new content. And nowadays, like I able to talk in front of people, I have a confidence. I do not say that like hesitation and fear. No, no, I can face. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes. So
you
it's, and maybe
keeping
you. Yeah, tell me.
keep uploading those videos.
Yeah. Actually,
Definitely, you will one day you will success.
yes,
You will be success.
thank you very much. And I'm passionate about YouTube channel. It's long time ago. It was my dream. Like one day I want to become a YouTuber. And second thing, I love to photography also. I love to
Oh,
photography. Yeah. If you go to my Instagram over there, I uploaded 500 photo approximately, and every photo related to editing, like good capture and good adventure like that. I love it photography. Yeah.
no one have that dream,
Okay.
passion about photography. It takes lot
Uh,
of creative mind.
uh, I see.
Yes,
So
you have.
please tell me about Camly. What about your journey on Camly? Because it's very important. I heard about nowadays. Lots of people are taking a subscription on Camly. So is it benefit or non-benefit? Like I mean, for Indian people, like what's your opinion? Please tell me.
My, yeah, sure. My opinion is it is benefit to who are prepared for higher studies. Already I told you I want to go MS. I want to go USA for my MS. Those
Hmm.
people's very beneficiary
Okay.
to practice English in Cambly. Who are beginners? They are not. It's not good for them.
Oh,
Who
I
are
see.
who are students and also who are prepared for competitive exams. They face interview. They feel very shy and nervous to at the time of interview.
Okay.
So when my first class in Cambly, I feel so nervous to speak with native speakers. I confused what I speak. I don't know what I speaking out.
Right.
So now after 6 months now I speaking good. I have self confident.
Okay.
Whoever beginners it's not good, but in who are in intermediate stages,
Huh?
it is very helpful to them. It is my opinion.
Okay. So, like, who did suggest you just take a subscription on Cambly? Like, you find yourself and someone suggests you, like, just take a, Cambly and get a fluency like that. Anyone suggest you?
My brother suggested me.
Okay.
In April, May, in June, in last year 2020, we were all are at lockdown situation, and also we
Okay.
have a lot of time
Uh-huh.
spending with family and also at home. So he suggested me take a subscription plan at Cambly. You can
Uh-huh.
speak with the native speakers. If it's possible after lockdown, you can go. You have to go USA. You can get some chance to go USA. So these conversations will help to you. So he told me. So that's why I take subscription plan at Cambly.
Oh, I
So
see.
it is
That's it.
very expensive. It is very, very expensive in India. One class is for 350. It is very expensive for 15 minutes. 15
Yeah.
in 15 minutes you can both are talk about hi and say and also where are you from, some basic self introduction. It takes nearly 10 minutes. After 5
Yeah.
minutes you can speak how to you don't have time.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, because I remember that I was also like using a Camly app. So I was choosing only for one month plan. Then after
Okay.
that, weekly 5 day and per day 15 minutes. So no anyone can learn within a 15 minutes. You know that.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
language we can say if you struggle, if you spend a lots of time around, it will take like 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, depend on our struggle. But if you talk about like I will go to Cambly, I will buy a Cambly, then after Cambly I will become a fluent. No, it's not true. Especially beginner, we have to
Yes,
struggle.
yes.
Cambly is like we can say good platform to improve a communication. Like you have to understand basically, then you can go with Cambly. Otherwise if you total beginner, then over there you cannot face, because obviously they are native Twitter and they speak fastly, they speak like sometimes they use a fancy word, but we do not
Yes,
understand. It
understand.
happens
Yes.
to me. Yeah.
Oh,
I
you can choose. You have to choose which tutor is sufficient for me. Who are who and I choose some tutors in Cambly who if they are teaching intermediate level or beginners or or childrens. I search it
Okay.
and also I speak to them.
Oh, I see. I
Some some
remember my
tutors some tutors are not listen my words. They continuously telling what they said.
yeah
They
it's
have what they have mind.
yeah, it's
It happens to
happened
me.
because I remember that my first conversation, one of a lady, and she was speaking good. Okay, first video I made with her, and I was like just thinking about what should I tell in front of her. I was blank. I was feel too nervous, and I was feeling too shy. Like, oh my God, I do not speak even my name also. She was
Oh,
asking me what's your name. Then I was telling like my name is Samir. I was just hesitation. First video. Seriously, I realized like it was tough job. First thing we have to convert intermediate, then we can go, then we can
yes.
improve lots of things. But if you beginner, so I'm never suggest you like beginner just go a Cambly, because you will never understand. Sometimes you will confuse, so it's very difficult for beginner. Yeah.
Okay.
To tell your viewers, please guys, subscribe. Please support her. She is doing great, and help her. Do subscribe, share everywhere, and she's amazing. She's speaking fantastic. Definitely,
Thank
future
you.
time
Thank
she will become a YouTuber.
yeah.
Guys,
Thank you.
please support. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon. We will meet
See
next.
you
Bye bye.
soon. Okay. Bye bye.